allow you to leave the room. You have to have a conclusion someday. Alright? So, but we're so happy you're doing it. No? And we're so happy that young people like them are doing it. You're teaching the old people like us how to do it. It should have been done a long time ago. No? Except, of course, we all know when we talk about LCOE, it's always based on assumptions. Right? We don't know what the price will look like in the future. But at the very least, when we come up with a Philippine Energy Plan, it's not just your annual PEP that is written all the time, every year, and it looks the same. When you have math and science behind it, then we can certainly have a good long-term energy plan. Alright, so kudos to you and your team, Jay. Please continue the study. At some point in time, we want to ask you, what's the best energy mix given that you have calculated LCOE? Alright, but I think you just did it for BRE. You have to do it also for the other technologies. We're not asking you to prefer any technology. In fact, I saw my good friend Nonoy Oclas here. Nonoy, are you still here? Nonoy is not anymore here. No? My suggestion for ECCP, have this really long day session. Believe me, if you invite Nonoy and then you have Jay, the discussions will never end. Right? But at least it's a contribution to the Philippine Energy Plan. Alright? I've been looking for it, actually. What's the right energy mix for the Philippines? No? And again, please note that we're the only Southeast Asian country with no net zero target. Right? In other words, and Pete Maniego, the former NREP chairman, will agree with me, we are not too much to the extreme. In other words, we're not advocating 100% RE. No? Because that means we need to install batteries, no, for 24 hours of power. And at this time, batteries are still not based on that in terms of pricing, right? So we are trying to find that right energy mix. But Jay, you started the study. Okay, so we're hoping, are you funded by any organization? No? World Bank, IFC, ADB? Just purely Nasal. What was that? No, you are funded. You're funded.
It's pretty moderate. So
okay, funded by everybody. I mean, no particular, which is good. It's good that everyone funds you so that at the end of the day, it will be equal. I mean, whatever will be the findings will be the findings. Okay? Jake, how big is your team?
But we have here Amanda and Bobby.
Amanda, so we'll make sure that you are also locked in this room together with Jake.
Our other project leader is at home, so be safe.
Okay, alright. Thank you. Be safe. Alright.